Hi guys, let's make crispy Chinese samosa. Heat oil in a wok, add ginger, garlic and green chilies, saute for a few seconds. Then add green beans, bell pepper, carrots and cabbage. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now reduce the flame and add salt, chili sauce, Szechuan sauce, vinegar and soy sauce. Mix everything well. Add boiled noodles and spring onions. Mix everything and cook it for about a minute on high flame. You can add paneer and tofu too. Now switch off the flame and let the noodles mixture cool down. Take a samosa sheet, pick the side of the corner, make the first fold, apply some flour slurry on the other side of the edge, then fold to make a triangle. Now hold the triangle and fill the pocket with stuffing. Lightly pull from one side and fold to make triangles. Once you reach towards the end, apply slurry and fold it tightly. Deep fry them in hot oil until golden and crispy. And it's done. Enjoy with garma garam chai or ketchup. Follow for more.